I don't eat like this. I eat good. I am not a rude eater. I'm an appropriate eater. If you're bored and, well, you probably are bored because we have this quarantine thing going on. If this video sucks, just let me know and then I'll just delete it because I'll be embarrassed and I'll just delete it. But me showing you how I make my Cajun shrimp and salmon pasta. Alfredo, whatever you want to call it, with the white creamy sauce, you know what I mean? I have my shrimp in the bowl here. I'm not using a lot of shrimp. And then I have 3 pieces of salmon. I like my salmon to be long ways because I just like it that way. Don't really know why. Alright, so this is going to be the first seasoning that I'm putting because it's all-purpose seasoning and this is an all-purpose meal. So just spread it on there, okay? Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Be generous. And do not be stingy. Just use your all-purpose seasoning. Garlic salt and I use this all-purpose seasoning and they have salt in them, so tell me that isn't pretty and colorful. It looks like I can use some more Cajun seasoning because remember y'all, we are from New Orleans right now, okay? It's Mardi Gras and we're from New Orleans, so we're gonna Cajun the heck out of our seafood right now and just mix. Okay, now we're gonna actually cook it. And now we're going to dip our salmon in there. Yes, honey. So this pan, because it's kind of uneven, not uneven, but it seems like all the oil is going to one side. Okay, we're gonna let that sizzle for a little bit and then we're gonna flip it over. We're gonna flip it over now because it's cooking. I'm gonna let that simmer again. Depending on how you like your salmon, I don't like mine completely well done or dry, so I'll probably be turning this off in a little bit. Now let's go back to our sauce. So our butter and oil are like mixed. We're gonna just stir this until it gets a little, until you can tell that it's getting cooked, you know. And I think I'm gonna turn off the salmon for now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn it off. So I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna put the, well, I'm not gonna turn the stove off actually because I have to cook my shrimp. So I'm just gonna put my salmon on this pan just to keep it out. We're just gonna set this to the side, okay? Since we have remaining oil, we're gonna put our shrimp on there. It's gonna sizzle, y'all. It's gonna sizzle. just stir your shrimp. It's not gonna take long to cook this shrimp because I bought cooked shrimp already. And so, because I was not gonna clean shrimp and then take the tail off. No. So this shouldn't take long to cook, maybe max 5 minutes. To the side with the same place that the salmon is, so that I can actually use this pan, because I think I need to use this pan because that pan is not gonna work. I'm just gonna transfer all of this in here. While we're waiting on this to brown, let's turn on our pot boiling water. What you want to do? I'm using fettuccine, by the way. Fettuccine. You can use linguine. You can use regular spaghetti. You can use whatever type of pasta you like. I just prefer fettuccine for this type of dish, just a tad. Just so your noodles won't stick together. You want to wait till this is actually boiling before you put your noodles. The onion and the bell peppers are starting to get brown, so we can start adding some items. Make sure it's on medium. Make sure your stove's on medium. So there's a lot of things that we're going to be putting in here right now, okay? Our sauce, nice, thick, and creamy. I'm gonna turn it down because it's starting to boil. I don't want it to boil. I just want it to nicely melt. By the way, I never use this kind of cheese. Okay, my friend brought it for our rotel dip, so I'm not gonna use a lot. I'm just gonna use a little. We're just gonna let that melt. This is so nice, thick. It's nice and thick. I want to make sure all the cheese is like melted, at least for the most part, before I start seasoning. Well, actually, no, why not? So I'm going to use all of the same exact seasonings earlier. The only thing I'm going to add that's different is this Nor's cube. It is shrimp flavored right here. You saw how I did that? This is shrimp flavored. So this is going to be the main thing that's going to give us a lot of flavor. I love these Knorr cubes. I use Maggie cubes. I have chicken ones too, but since this is going to be a seafood dish, might as well use this. And when you use this, you don't have to use a lot of other seasonings. Okay, so I should have broke that down. Break your cube. Yeah, break your cube before you put it in your dish. What we're gonna do is pour this back into the pot here, and so that we can add our sauce. Amen. If you want to see what it looks like, I plated it. Let's mix our crap together. Oh, I done broke the salmon. Okay, so I'm gonna get a shrimp and I'm gonna get some salmon on my fork, and then of course some pasta. Hold on, I don't think I got any salmon in that bite because it fell off. Okay, scale out of 1 to 10, 9.9999999. Like how much, like how hand sanitizer cleans your hands. 99.99%. I'm not gonna give it a 10 because presentation purposes. And then I think maybe for the tomatoes, instead of putting them in the sauce, I think they should just be topped on. Kind of like a garnish. I don't eat like this, I eat good. I am not a rude eater. I'm an appropriate eater. Stay tuned for the next cooking tutorial, and I'll be putting a lot of cooking tutorials on my channel. So, peace. Thank you.